In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Spotify student premium not working. Let's get started. First, make sure you are still eligible. Spotify student premium is only available to students enrolled at an college or university. If your student status has expired or you are no longer enrolled, the discount won't apply. Next, check your student verification. Head to your Spotify account page and confirm that your verification through Share ID is still valid. You may need to re-verify each year. Open the Spotify app and go to Settings and Privacy. Tap your profile icon, then double check your details like email address, payment method, and university name. Incorrect info can block your verification. If your payment is not going through, update your billing method. Even though the plan is discounted, failed payments are a common reason for losing access. Add a valid card or PayPal account and try again. If everything looks right but still not working, it could be a technical glitch. Try logging out and logging back or uninstalling and reinstalling the Spotify app from the Play Store or App Store. And that's it, your Spotify student premium should be up and running again. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.